Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn SAP Datasphere, one of the SAP's latest cloud data platforms. By the end of this session, you will understand what SAP Datasphere is, why companies uses it and how it works, its architecture, how it integrates with SAP systems, and the role of a project manager in SAP Datasphere project. Let's begin with a simple business problem. Imagine you are the CEO of a retail company. You ask your team four simple questions. What are today's sales? How much inventory do we have? Which products are selling the most? What is today's profit? The sales team says the data is in Salesforce. The finance team says the data is in SAP S/4HANA. The warehouse team says inventory is in SAP EWM. The other team, which is marketing, it says the campaign data is in Google Analytics. And the IT team says files are stored in AWS S3. Now the question is, how can the CEO see all this information in one dashboard? This is exactly the business problem that SAP Datasphere solves. So let's jump into what is SAP Datasphere. It is a SAP's cloud-based data platform. It collects data from different systems, integrates it, transforms it into business-friendly information, and makes it available for analytics and reporting. Think of SAP Datasphere as a central data hub for any organization. Instead of each department maintaining its own reports, everyone works from a single trusted source of data. And why do companies need SAP Datasphere? Before SAP Datasphere, organizations faced several challenges. Data was stored in multiple systems, reports were created manually, different departments reported different numbers, executives had to wait days for consolidated reports, data quality was inconsistent. So, SAP Datasphere addresses these challenges by integrating data into one governed platform. And the next step will cover about SAP Datasphere architecture. So let's understand how SAP Datasphere works step by step. Step 1 is the source systems. Let's begin with source systems. Business data is created in many systems such as SAP S/4HANA, SAP ECC, Salesforce, SQL Server, Oracle, AWS S3, Cloud Technologies, Snowflake. These are all source systems. And the step 2, connections. SAP Datasphere establishes secure connections with the source systems. There are different methods: live connection, data replication, data federation. This enables SAP Datasphere to access business data securely. And the next is the data integration. Each system stores data differently. For example, customer information, sales transactions, we have inventory records, we'll have financial data in the company. So the SAP Datasphere integrates these data sets into a unified view. And next comes data modeling. Raw database tables are difficult for business users to understand. So, the SAP Datasphere creates business-friendly models. Instead of technical table names, users work with meaningful business entities like customer, product, sales, revenue, inventory. And then comes analytics. Once the data is prepared, reporting tools such as SAP Analytics Cloud use it to create dashboards, KPIs, charts, executive reports. And the next comes the real business example. Let's look at a practical example. A customer orders a laptop from an online store. First step is order is created in SAP SD. And the second step, inventory is checked in SAP EWM. And the next step, if inventory is low, procurement is initiated through SAP MM. And the next step, finance records the transaction in SAP S4 HANA. And the fifth step, all this information flows into Datasphere. And step 6, SAP Datasphere combines sales, inventory, procurement and finance data. And step 7, SAP and Analytics Cloud displays a dashboard showing total sales, inventory levels, revenue, profit, top selling products. The CEO can now view accurate real-time business information from one dashboard. And the key components of SAP Datasphere, let's understand the main components. Spaces are secure work areas. For example, finance space, sales space, HR space, supply chain space. Each team works in its own space with controlled access. Connections allow SAP Datasphere to communicate with external systems. For instance, SAP S4 HANA, Snowflake, AWS S3, SQL Server. And the next, data builder used by data engineers to import data, build data models, define relationships, create transformations. And business builder used by business users. Instead of technical tables, they see business terms such as sales, revenue, inventory, making reporting much easier. And then comes integration with SAP Analytics Cloud. Many people confuse SAP Datasphere with SAP Analytics Cloud. Remember this, SAP Datasphere prepares and manages the data, whereas SAP Analytics Cloud presents the data. Think of this way, SAP Datasphere is the kitchen where ingredients are cleaned and cooked. SAP Analytics Cloud is the restaurant where the finished meal is served to customers. So, in a project manager or a delivery manager perspective, as a manager, I am not expected to create data models or write SQL queries.